Passion Java has confirmed the occurrence of violence involving him and Zanu PF Senator Mike Chimombe at a Harare hotel on Wednesday. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The two beat up businessman Andrew Mnangagwa at Rainbow Towers over a girlfriend. Mnangagwa filed a police report at Harare Central Police Station under IR 030777. Over a dozen of hired thugs attacked Mnangagwa and also robbed him of $18,000. The incident was captured on CCTV. Java is reportedly bitter with Mnangagwa for snatching associate Hilary Makaya from him. Chimombe was allegedly infuriated after Mnangagwa labeled him broke. Mnangagwa sought refuge in a toilet before being taken to the hospital for treatment along with his guards. Java told ZVAITWA that the incident truly happened, saying instead of him, they were the ones who were attacked. This guy wanted to beat up Mike Chimombe, said in an exclusive phone call with ZVAITWA. This is today's news about Passion Java admitting to Harare hotel violence over a woman. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.